Do you have an Xbox One that won't turn on or isn't working right and you're not sure how to open it? Don't worry, you're in the right place. A lot of people feel scared to open their Xbox One, but today I'm going to show you how to do it step by step and how easy and safe it is. So, sometimes your Xbox gets dusty or makes a loud sound. Maybe the disk drive won't work. That's why when opening it, that's why opening it can really help. So it's important to do it the right way or you could break something. So keep watching because I'm going to show you how to fix it and make it feel brand new again. So first, unplug your Xbox One and take off the plastic side panel using a plastic pry tool. Second, use a T8 screwdriver to remove the black screws inside. Third, carefully lift the top cover and set it aside. Fourth, unplug the fan cable, okay, and the hard drive cable. Fifth, clean the inside using canned air to remove dust. You did it. Now your Xbox is clean and ready to work better. If this helped you, give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment or questions that you have. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Ciao.